B responds, turn to talking to them. What are some benefits?
You like white matter? What did they say? Like, it like your nerves react better to like send signals really fast.
I think one of them was, depending on what you read, it can improve different aspects of your life and how your brain is wired. Helping
All right,
you with
go back to
different
3.
sensations.
What are some of those benefits? Epi, what you got?
It can like stop you from like getting Alzheimer's, like so you're less likely to get it.
Yeah, Mrs. Bowen's word for that from me. She keeps telling me every day. You're so forgetful, Mr. Bowen. What do you got? Help me out. Daphne, what would you say was another benefit?
It can make you a better writer and listener.
Better writer, listener. What types of books reading did it say were good for like emotional intelligence? Fiction, right? Fiction books. What is fiction?
Not real.
Yeah, fake, not real. So the stuff we read actually makes you get into that emotional state. And we talk about emotions a lot when we're reading as well. So let's go ahead and get to our article for today. We're gonna do a deep read. And we're gonna do this thing called the Rancho Way to Read. It's in production right now, so you guys are gonna be one of the first ones who are using it. Now we have annotated before, we have written a lot before, and we've talked about things we've annotated, but today we're gonna roll this out. So go ahead and look at this. If you don't have one of these, I ran out of copies, and that's okay. And it looks like there's a lot to do with these steps when we read this. But we're only gonna focus on a few things. So take your pencil, put it in your hand. And our first read, we are gonna predict. Go ahead and circle that. We're gonna predict. And if you don't have a copy, you can share with a partner. And then for our second read, I want you to circle this. We are gonna circle key terms. We are going to look for MVP lines. So put a check next to that. These are the most valuable player lines. These are the lines that you're going to say, guess what I read today? That's your MVP line, okay? Guess what I saw in this text? That's what you're looking for. And then we are going to paraphrase each chunk. And that word paraphrase means put it in your own words. Thank you. All right. Now let's put this off to the side and let's look at our text. One of the steps you want to do is we want to predict and prepare. Part of that's going to be numbering our paragraphs. Let's start with the very first one, paragraph 1, 2, yes, 6 comes after, it's right after 7. So, all right. We're not going to count this, and we're going to say chunk 3 is 8, 9, 10. Now look at the title. Read that title for me with a strong voice. Yoselin, can you read that title?
To lead college students who can't read books, read a book to college and helps to have creative thinking.
Make a prediction. I'll give you a minute for this. What do you think this is going to discuss? I'll give you 1 minute. Go and write it out.
Well, I'm thinking that it's gonna be like how crucial and critical reading is, and like it would kind of be impossible to live without it.
Okay, go and share your prediction. I predict turn talk.
Like, what is like the kind of like the importance?
All right. Back in 3, 2, 1. Jose, what do you got? Prediction.
I predict that this article will be about how reading isn't super important for college.
Reading isn't super important. We're gonna see if that's correct or not. What'd you get for your prediction? Lewis in the back.
I predict that we'll discuss about students in college that can't really read.
Kids who go to college can't really read. We're gonna see that, right? We're gonna find out what our prediction is true or not. I'm gonna have you read this in a second with your partner, but after the first chunk, we're gonna do a pencils down read. I want you to write the gist down. Everyone write gist right here. And so you're gonna read it in an A-B read, partner A, partner B, partner A, pencils down, and when you're done reading, pencils up, write the gist. And I'm gonna model the annotations. Before that, go and do me a paper, rock, scissors with your partner. Tell me who the winner is. Go.
Well, best of the 3-year one.
Raise your hand if you're the winner. Your partner B, loser's partner A. Partner A, you read first. All right? Go ahead and read it and do a gist. Go. It's like 2 minutes.
Nicholas Dames has taught literature humanities, Columbia University's required great books course since 1998. He loves the job, but it has changed. Over the past decade,